This is a video showing the basic components of a hybrid Zoom audio setup. In the center you've got the mixer, which is the main component. On the right side of the mixer are two microphones. The mixer can accommodate 4 microphones if necessary. On top of the mixer you've got a USB dongle, which is responsible for getting the audio from the mixer into the Zoom computer, and a patch cable next to it that patches from the mixer to the dongle. On the left-hand side of the mixer, you've got the power cable. The mixer can be powered from a USB port if you have one available, or if not, it can take power directly from the wall. So let's concentrate on the connections to the mixer. The mixer has 4 microphone inputs. Along the bottom, you've got the input for microphone 1. Along the top, you've got microphone 2, microphone 3, and microphone 4. Next to microphone 4 is the output that takes the audio from the mixer to the dongle, and then you've got the 2 power connections depending on whether you're going to plug this into the wall or plug this into a USB port for power. Video for the Zoom session is accomplished using 2 cameras. The camera on the left is a standard webcam, tripod mounted so that you can move the camera around depending on what's going on in the room. That webcam is plugged directly into the Zoom computer using a USB cable to an available USB port on the Zoom computer itself. The second camera is a phone, either an iPhone or an Android phone, running the Zoom app, and that phone is also tripod mounted, again, so that you can move it around and capture various scenes in the room. So the connections. We have a mixer in the middle, 2 microphones on the left, patch cable on the top, and a USB dongle and computer over on the right. Taking a closer look at the mixer, we see connections on the front of the mixer. Microphone 1 is the connection to the right. We'll plug in microphone 1. Looking at the top of the mixer, we see similar connections on the top. Microphone 2 plugs into the second connector from the left. There's our microphones. Next connection is to the USB dongle. So we go output from the mixer, and we're going to plug it into the USB dongle. USB dongle has 2 different connections. There's a red connection for audio in, which is what we're going to be using. And then the green connection is for an external speaker if you have and want to use a speaker output from this dongle. The USB dongle then plugs into an available USB port on your Zoom computer. And that's all of the audio connections. The HDMI cable will be plugging into an HDMI port on the Mac computer. If your computer does not have an HDMI output, there are adapters you can get that will allow you to plug HDMI cable into a USB adapter, USB to HDMI adapter. This computer has an HDMI output, so we're just going to plug the cable directly into the HDMI. And then the other end of the cable will go to a monitor or a projector.